partly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet subside. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Frankfort, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orland Park, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, New Lenox, Blue Island, Dolton, Park Forest, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Midlothian, Steger, Flossmoor, Linwood, Glenwood, University Park, Posen, and Olympia Fields. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 332 and 352. Interstate 80 between mile markers 137 and 138, and between mile markers 140 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 68 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 68 and 74. This includes Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governor State University, Prairie State College, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.